Thinking about moving overseas? You're not alone. Every year, thousands of Americans pack their lives into containers and head to new adventures abroad. Some move for work, some for love, some for retirement, and some just for the adventure of living in a new culture. At SDC International Shipping, we've helped families, professionals, and retirees move to destinations around the world. Today, let's talk about 4 of the most popular places Americans are moving to in 2025, the United Kingdom, Spain, and Australia. We'll share real stories, challenges, and solutions, and, most importantly, how to make sure your move is safe, stress-free, and fully protected. Let's start with the United Kingdom: London, Manchester, Birmingham, and beyond. For Americans, the UK feels both familiar and new. Same language, different culture, rich history, buzzing cities, and opportunities for work, education, and lifestyle. But moving to the UK isn't just hopping on a flight. One of our clients, we'll call her Sarah, moved from Chicago to London for a new job in finance. She thought she could handle the shipping herself, but quickly learned the customs paperwork was intense. Furniture, electronics, even kitchen items, everything needed to be declared properly. That's where SDC came in. Our team guided her through the transfer of residence process, handled her customs forms, and delivered her belongings directly to her flat in London, stress-free. And here's a fact: groupage shipping, also called shared container service, is one of the most cost-effective ways to ship to the UK. It takes a little longer, usually between 8 and 16 weeks, but it's perfect if you don't need a full container. If you're moving directly, timelines are faster, 6 to 12 weeks. So whether you're relocating for work or retirement, the UK is a top choice. And with the right team, the process is smooth. For more details, visit our dedicated site, www.movefromusa2uk.com. That's movefromusa2uk.com. Or call us toll-free at 888-909-3020. Now let's head south to Spain. Sunny beaches, tapas and wine. A slower pace of life. It's no wonder Spain is one of the top destinations for Americans moving abroad. We recently helped a retired couple, we'll call them Mark and Linda, move from Miami to Valencia. They were drawn by the warm climate and affordable cost of living. But the process had a few bumps. Spain has strict rules about bringing in certain goods, and their container had to go through a detailed inspection at customs. Luckily, SDC prepared all the paperwork ahead of time, so nothing was held up. Interesting fact: did you know Spain has become one of the fastest-growing expat hubs in Europe, especially for retirees? In 2025, it's projected that more than 150,000 Americans will be living in Spain, and the numbers keep growing. Our shipping timelines? From the East Coast to Spain, it's usually 6 to 12 weeks. From the West Coast, about 7 to 13 weeks. And with our all-risk insurance coverage, your belongings are protected every step of the way, from your old home in the US to your new home in Spain. To learn more, visit our dedicated site, www.moveitospain.com. That's moveitospain.com, or call us toll-free at 844-651-7050, Australia 530-8. Now let's travel across the world to Australia: Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, Perth. The land down under is a dream destination for many. For Americans, Australia offers a similar lifestyle, but with incredible natural beauty, beaches, and a vibrant culture. One of our clients, James, a software engineer, moved with his wife and 2 kids from San Francisco to Sydney in 2024. They wanted a new start, closer to nature. But here's the challenge: shipping to Australia takes time. Transit alone can be 10 to 14 weeks depending on the route. Australia also has some of the strictest biosecurity laws in the world. That means wooden furniture, sporting equipment, and even certain shoes had to be declared, cleaned, or treated before entering the country. This is where SDC's expertise makes all the difference. We prepped James's shipment, ensured everything met Australia's customs rules, and had his container cleared without delays. Another fact: in 2025, Australia continues to be one of the most popular destinations for American professionals under skilled worker visas, especially in healthcare, tech, and education. To explore your options, visit our dedicated site, www.moverstoaustralia.com, that's moverstoaustralia.com, or call us toll-free at 877-856-7050. So, why do people trust SDC International Shipping? Because moving internationally isn't just about shipping boxes. It's about moving your life. We provide professional packing services to meet insurance and customs standards, sea freight and air freight options depending on budget and urgency, vehicle shipping, cars, motorcycles, even boats, alongside your household goods, secure storage, both in the US and overseas, and most importantly, moving insurance that protects your belongings every step of the way. Here's something many people don't realize. In 2025, global shipping continues to face challenges. Extreme weather, labor strikes, and even cyber attacks on shipping companies are on the rise. That's why insurance isn't optional, it's essential. Whether you're moving to the UK, Spain, or Australia, we'll guide you through every step. Are you ready to take the next step? Start your international move today with SDC International Shipping. Visit our main website at www.sdcinternationalshipping.com, that's sdcinternationalshipping.com, or call our main office at 877-339-0267. And remember, we also have dedicated websites to make your move even easier. For the United Kingdom, www.movefromusa2uk.com, or call 888-909-3020. For Spain, www.movertospain.com, or call 844-651-7050. For Australia, www.moverstoaustralia.com, or call 877-856-7050. No matter where you're headed, we'll make sure your journey is smooth, secure, and stress-free. Because at SDC International Shipping, peace of mind travels with you.